Hi, welcome to the Dragonfly tutorial on Manipulate. You have a Manipulate toolbar up here at the top. And you can see there is a lot of gray buttons inside. The gray buttons are your state buttons. You can only be in one state at a time. To find out which state you are in, you can come to the bottom left corner right here. And right now it says we're on the track state. For the track state, it lets you rotate your object in the 3D view. It will not affect anything in the 2D view. Our next state is the pan state, which repositions the camera in both the 3D and 2D views. The scene state lets you look through the slices of your selected frame. You can simply click and drag your mouse up or down to look through them. You can quick access this feature on another state by left clicking and dragging up and down the slice value over here. We have the zoom state, which lets you zoom in and out, also by dragging up and down, and it also works in both 2D and 3D views. The quick access for this feature is the value up here at the top. The walk state. This state will not do anything in the 3D view. And what this state does is it will let you change your view in the 2D view by changing the angle of the X, Y, and Z axis. Your pivot point, which only show up in the 2D view and in the scene that you've selected. It is automatically set to the center of your object, and what it is it is the point that your 3D object rotates from. You can change your pivot point from the 2D view, one slice at a time, and now we've set ours to the bottom. So now if we rotate this object in the 3D view, it will be rotated from that corner. In our blue buttons, the first one is the fit button, which fits all of your views in this dataset to the screen. You can see that it fits your data as it is. It does not change the rotation and views of your dataset. To undo all of these things, you can press the last button, which is the reset button. It will reset all of your properties from the Manipulate toolbar. Over here, we also have a flip and rotate toolbar. This toolbar will allow you to make changes to your view in your selected scene only. So if I make a change to this scene that I've just selected, it will not affect any of the other scenes that I have. It will also not make any change to your data. Our first button lets you flip your image vertically. The second one horizontally. We also have a button that rotates your view by 90 degrees clockwise and counterclockwise. If there is a specific angle you want to rotate your image by, you can input it here. This value will affect both of these two buttons, which also rotates your image clockwise and counterclockwise. In the flip and rotate toolbar is the only other toolbar that can be reset by the reset button in the Manipulate menu.